Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for custom projects with Etsy step by step clearly. Begin by setting a clear financial goal for your custom project. Determine the total amount you'll need for materials, tools, and other expenses. Research the average costs associated with the specific items or services you require. Break down your goal into manageable monthly or weekly savings targets. Identify your current income sources and assess your budget for potential cutbacks. Consider creating a separate savings account dedicated to your project funds. Explore your options on Etsy to identify potential materials or supplies. Determine how much you can realistically save each month without straining your budget. Review your recurring expenses and look for areas to reduce spending. Allocate a fixed percentage of your income to your savings account. Consider selling items you no longer need to generate additional income. Engage in activities or freelance gigs that can help boost your earnings. Set reminders for regular deposits into your savings account to keep yourself accountable. Track your progress frequently to stay motivated and make adjustments if necessary. Seek inspiration from other successful Etsy projects to keep your goal in focus. Stay flexible with your timeline, allowing for any unexpected delays or expenses. Celebrate small milestones along the way to maintain your enthusiasm for the project. As you approach your savings goal, start planning the execution of your custom project. With a clear plan and dedication, you'll be prepared to bring your creative vision to life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.